Okay, did you just pull out?
I did. So, I mean, this...
Okay, those are the hangers for the fuel tank straps. Those were gross. Now,
I mean, yeah, I got to wire wheel them up to get the last little bit of, schmegma off of them.
yeah, but now they're not that
They're
gross.
amazing.
Why don't you show me your hardware, big boy? Those look way better.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the bolt. I mean, the only rusty spot still where it was.
Yeah, I mean, I still got to wire wheel it up a little bit, but...
Just clean it up a little bit. I mean, and if it sat in there overnight, it would actually
Oh,
look
yeah,
better,
it'd be perfect.
But those are looking good.
Yeah, so I'll wire wheel these up, clean them up real good, be done with them, and then we can move on to the next batch of work.
All right, because
Get this done.
the
Get
new
the other leaf springs in.
it's already hanging.
Yep. It's hanging, baby. It's hanging.
Hey, Scotty, how's it hanging?
A little to the right, actually.
It is going a little to the right, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. But I'm bumped.
Of the car.
Right.
In fact, from this angle, it's a little left.
Well, hey.
But who's counting?
My right, your left, same thing. Schmegma.
Tomato.
Yeah.
All right, looks good. Looks nice. Fucking A. F and A.
Thank you. That's better.
Sweet cheeks. All right. Next time you see that, it's gonna be in.
It's gonna go from being hung to flat.
Let's get it in. Oh.